Whether you're preparing for trial, analyzing interviews, or organizing research, properly identifying speakers in your transcripts is crucial for accuracy and clarity. Rev's speaker name editing feature makes this process incredibly efficient with one simple rule: edit once, and the change applies everywhere that the speaker appears. Let me show you how. Here in this transcript, you can see, by default, we just have speaker 1 and speaker 2. Let's go ahead and name them appropriately. So we click here and we say edit speaker names. And this first one is going to be Brett. And the second one is going to be Tim. Once I hit save, notice that across the entire transcript, all the changes have now carried forth. You also can edit and add speakers as you need. So if for any reason there's a third-party voice that wasn't picked up in the AI, you can create new speaker right here, name them, give them a label color, and it's that easy. You can also edit the transcript and adjust speakers. So by simply hitting enter twice, you now have an extra paragraph and you can go ahead and select the speaker for that line. Additionally, you can change the colors of the speaker labels. So you see here on the right-hand side, you have the drop down, you can select, and I can make Brett blue in this case, and then maybe I want to make Tim green, and it's just that easy. These speaker name editing features help you efficiently organize and identify voices across your transcript files. Start using proper speaker identification in your next project and experience how clear organization can streamline your entire workflow. We're dropping new videos all the time, so subscribe to our channel and don't miss a thing. See you next time.